We're here today to mourn the passing on of our leader of majority, Honorable Richard Isiemo. On my own behalf, my family, and the members of staff with us here at the County Assembly Nyamira, we stand together to mourn or condole the family. I knew Elijah Isiemo over 17 years ago when he reported to Kisi School as a small boy in Form 1. I was his teacher at high school at that time. Later we all went separate ways, but come this year after elections, we again linked up. Elijah Isiemo, I've always called him leader of majority, my student. He also calls me clerk, my teacher. It has come to happen. Too bad for the County Assembly. Elijah Isiemo was a dependable leader, independent, consultative, and is one who could exhibit wisdom beyond his age. Anytime you had an issue that you wanted somebody to assist you on how to go about it, then be sure if you call Elijah Isiemo, you will get direction. We are sorry as a family of the County Assembly of Nyamira that we have lost a young leader whom, to me, if you ask me, I could see he had a very bright future in the political world and in the leadership world. We want to stand with the family, as I said, and we promise that we shall be together until the end. For Honorable Masira and Honorable Priscilla, who are in hospital, and the driver, may the Almighty God extend his healing hand so that they get better very fast and come back to join us. My message to the government: the issue of motorbikes on our roads, which we know our youths are earning from those motorbikes. And I participated in making that policy that brought in the issue of motorbikes today when I was working in another ministry. It is time to think on which roads are they going to use. I'm appealing to the government, as they expand our roads network, they should remember lanes for the motorbikes. Were it not for this motorbike coming the road straight, as they have always done, we would have not lost our leader, we would have not injured our other leaders that are in hospital today.